Hi guys, welcome back to another video from Eureka Tradings. So we've been trying to teach ourselves how to trade futures contracts on TD Ameritrade's ThinkorSwim, which we have opened up here. And in our last video, we finished up by checking out the market open on Wednesday, July 21st, 2021. So we'll just continue this video from there, and this can be like a part 2 of that video. And what we have opened up here in ThinkorSwim is the chart for the S&P 500 E-mini futures contract, or the ES. And for this video, we'll also take a pretty minimal look at how to buy and sell contracts by paper trading. And of course, we're just getting started, so this isn't going to involve any type of strategy or anything. It's just going to simply be buying and then selling, or selling and then buying. We're just going to learn how to do this in ThinkorSwim first. Also, please keep in mind that these are all simulated trades using fake virtual money. So we're just doing this for practice, educational, and maybe some entertainment purposes. Okay, so the market just opened. We heard that opening bell in the beginning of the video, and we talked about how volume really picks up in the first hour, hour and a half of market open, and you can definitely see this reflected down here in our volume subgraph. Now let's just look at that along with the candlestick up here, and we can observe what we call price action, which basically means we're watching the price either go up or down depending on if there are more buyers or sellers. I think this is right around where we ended our last video, but if you look at this first opening candlestick, it started off green, then it briefly turned red, then back to green now. So right now we see this sort of tug of war going on as the price is fluctuating up and down. And this next candlestick really looks like the sellers are trying to push this down. So let's just watch and see what happens. As you can see, this is probably the most boring part, which is watching the market. So, you gotta have patience. So it looks like the buyers right now are putting up a pretty good fight as it keeps inching back up. And now we see the candlestick turned green, so it looks like more buying is going on, but let's not forget to keep an eye on the volume down here as well. It kind of looks like the volume is slowing down after that big pop at opening, and this next candlestick is also green, but now it just turned red. And we're seeing a lot of back and forth going on. Okay, now let's start getting into the buying and selling process. I'm just going to get rid of this, and let's click on this tab all the way to the right called Active Trader. Okay, now we have Active Trader opened up, and let's wait for it to fully load. Great, so we can see all the way to the left here the volume, and this green row right here are the buy orders or the bids. And the red row right here are the sell orders or the asks. And in the very middle is the price, and the highlighted box is the current price. And as you can see, it moves up or down and is synchronized to the candlesticks on the chart or the price that's shown right here. So it's all in sync. Let's just take a minute to watch how Active Trader moves up and down along with the chart on the left. So you can kind of watch how it moves together. Now let's say we want to go long, which is basically buying and then selling at a higher price later. So how do we do that? Well, first we're going to go to the top right here, and we're going to change this to our margin account. So let's say I want to buy at this current price. So what I'll do is I'll go to the buy side and then click buy. And then I have to click send to confirm the order, but I missed it. So I have to delete this, find the current price again, click buy, click send. And when you hear that sound effect, that means that your order is filled. So we are in the trade. We're long one contract. There is our average price right there. And then our P&L means that how much we lost or gained during that day. So green means gained, red means lost. And we just went up 4 ticks, so I'm going to sell this right now. Click, it's the opposite. And then if you hear that sound effect, that means we are filled. So what I just did now was I quickly bought and then sold an ES contract for a $50 profit because it went up 4 ticks or 1 point. And we mentioned before that 1 tick is $12.50 and 1 point or 4 ticks is $50. So that was a really quick trade. I was probably in it for like, I don't know, 30 seconds maybe. So let's do it one more time. Buy, wait for it to fill, wait for the sound effect. Yeah, there we go, we're filled. And we're going to watch the P&L open, and in the middle too, we're going to see how many ticks it goes up and down. The highlighted is the current price, and the yellow highlighted with the little arrows, that's where we bought in. Okay, so it went up. We're up 5 ticks now, so we're up $62.50. So what we'll do is we'll set a limit sell order for 8 ticks above. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's 8 ticks, so 2 points. So what we're going to do is send this and then wait for the price to reach that point now. And then if we are filled, then we will be able to sell at that point. And there we go. We just got filled. So now we're at a total profit of $150. The first trade we made, the really quick one, that was a $50 profit because we sold at 4 ticks or 1 point higher than what we bought at. And the second trade was a $100 profit because we sold 8 ticks or 2 points above. So yeah, that was a really quick, just basic way of buying and then selling or going long. And let's wait and see if we can try to find a time to go short, which is basically the opposite direction. Short is if you sell first and then buy later at a lower price in order to profit. Let's say we want to go short now. So what we'll do is go to the other side, the sell side, click send. And as you can see, we already missed it. It's already 2 ticks lower than what we wanted to sell at. So instead of replacing it, we can just shift this oval down to the current price. That'll automatically replace it for you and wait for the sound effect. Okay, now we're filled. And now you can see we are 1 contract short. This is our average price. And let's just watch and see how it moves. Okay, now it went the opposite direction. It went up. We wanted to go down, so it went up 1 tick. Now we're down $12.50 in red. And now it went 2 ticks below our sell price. So let's set a limit buy order 4 ticks below or 1 point below. Click send. And it already got filled. That was a little quick, so we'll try that again. We'll go short. We'll sell 1 contract first. And then now we're filled. And then we're going to set a limit buy order 4 ticks below. Oh, we got filled already. That was a little too quick again. Let me try this one more time. We're going to sell 1 contract first, send. Okay, we're filled. And we will count 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 5, 6, 7. Okay, let's just go 1 point again. Okay, buy 1. This is a limit buy. Yeah, the last 2 short trades were a little bit too quick. So in this one, we'll actually be able to watch our limit buy order get filled. So we just got to wait. This is where the patience really kicks in. Okay, it's 2 ticks above right now. You know, part of this game is probably really about waiting, right? Okay, it looks like it will go down. I don't know. That's a lot of red candlesticks. Okay, now we're at our average price, so we're back to square one. Okay, you're going to go down. There we go. Okay, our order is filled, and we bought back the contract that we sold 4 ticks below, so we made another $50. Cool, I hope this video helped you understand the basic process of buying a contract and then selling it after if you're going long, or if you're going short, selling a contract first and then buying it after at a lower price. Some of these trades that I made, as examples were a little too fast, but this is practice in action. And the more we do this, we'll be able to recognize it more. And also, like I said, this didn't involve any type of strategy or anything. And, you can see my P&L of the day is I basically made $312.50, but this was just pure luck. It was, didn't involve any type of strategy. So this is definitely not a good example of how to properly trade. The real purpose of this video was just to show you the process of buying and then selling, or selling and then buying. Just keep that in mind. Okay guys, thanks for watching this video. We're pretty much ready to practice now, since we know how to go long and short. And the more we practice, ideally, the better we will get at this over time. And stay tuned for the next video. I'll cover a brief one about commissions. See you guys in the next one. Peace.